Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic that is about perfect square trinomial. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. So in this one, we can see that 25x squared, that is about 5x, everything to the power of 2. Number 70, we can put number 2 multiplied by 5x, and the next one, number 7. So we can see that 8, that is about 5x. B, that is about number 7. So that means C in here should be about 7 to the power of 2. So we have C equals to 7 to the power of 2 or 49. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.